Shannon trying out the electric dog shark collar. We're seeing, making sure it doesn't hurt the dogs too much. Okay, give it a try. Did it work yet? No. Try it again. Jeez.
You're like showing the pointy ends.
Let me show the pointy ends into her. Still not working. Wait, did you turn it on?
There's maybe a little. Did you turn it off when you gave it to me?
No, I didn't.
It's on?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Because there was a green light.
Did it work?
Yeah, I saw the light come on me.